Hi, welcome back to Gooey.AI. We've got the next part of our chatbot uh, video, which is to integrate what you've made onto a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Now, everything's the same. I haven't made any changes to the past video that we did for the chatbot for Ethiopia. We are just going to head over from our run to the integrations tab on the right. And by the time that's loading, I'll also tell you that we've built this little page here for the chatbot on Facebook. So you can just build a page for your, I'm sure you have a page for your organization already. So this is just an integration within that. Or if you just want to test it, you can build a test page like we have done here. And then once you add your page here, you can go through the motions by uh, going into Facebook and connecting to the account. What will happen then is that you will need to refresh this page and you will get the section select pages to connect the chatbot to. So here, let me just continue and show you how this will go. So hopefully this should give us a connection to the Facebook page that we want. So now we've connected to Facebook. So all we need to do now is refresh this page and it will give us this section where it says select pages to connect. And I will click on Farmer Chatbot and I will say connect. So this will take a minute and then we will have everything ready. So what I'll do now is I'm just gonna run another one which says that what is a sorghum called in the local language of North Ethiopia. I don't know what answer it's going to give me. Hopefully it's something interesting. And I will wait for the submission to finish. And I will refresh my page here for Facebook. And now I will message it. So when I hit message, it should open the chatbot. We've already connected it here. So we've got a couple of questions from the past. Here, it's still running, I guess. Here I will ask it, I'll just start with a simple hi. Let's see what it does. So you can see it's already typing something. So obviously this is my page, so it's a bot. Yeah, so there you go. So it says, how can I assist you with your farming in Ethiopia today? So I'll say, what do I need to grow sorghum in Ethiopia? So I've specifically given a question about sorghum because, as you remember, the example that we made was about sorghum, vegetables, and wheat. So hopefully, and all the documents related to it. So hopefully, it should give me an answer for that. So while we're waiting, we'll check here. This is also running right now. Yeah, so here you go. It's given you a really detailed and specific answer to grow sorghum. You need the seeds, fertile soil, and when it's best to grow, the pH levels, what else you need, like urea and diammonium phosphate, how much of it, etc. So this stuff is now good to go. It's very easy to use, and if you need to share the link with people that, hey, this is our chatbot, all you need to do is say m.me / and then write the name of your Facebook page. So here we've written .ethiopia, but we've set it for farmerchat.bot. So what I'll do here is, say if I go to m.me / farmer chat.bot, it'll directly take me to the messenger that we were talking to here. So this is great. So it quickly gives you a link that you can share for your organization's bot, and you can use it for all your chatbot requirements.